Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want more important problem of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get the questions? See, you have to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay, friends. One more thing, all these important questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, friends. Coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. We have to find the equation of a line that passes through the point, and the given point is -2 comma 3, and it is also given that the line is perpendicular to the line with the equation x equal to -4. Okay, so one line is given, so our required line will be perpendicular to the given line and passing through the point -2 comma 3. So how we can find? C. Equation of the given line is x equal to -4. So clearly this is a vertical line which will be parallel to y axis, or we can say perpendicular to x axis. Okay. So, and it is passing through x equal to -4. Okay, x equal to -4. So our required line will be perpendicular to this line, and as the given line is parallel to y axis, so the required line will be parallel to x axis or perpendicular to y axis. So we can say that slope of the required line, as it is parallel to x axis, is m equal to 0. Okay. Now we know the slope is m equal to 0, and given point is -2 comma 3, that is x1 y1 is -2 comma 3, and we know the equation of a line passing through a point x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So substituting x1 y1 and the value of slope, we will get y minus 3 equal to 0 into x minus of -2. So right side will become 0 as it is multiplied by 0. So we will get y equal to 3. Hence equation of the required line is y equal to 3. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay. Thank you.